stay.
So maha ko hakin seo.
Is Misha Kira, agus is Misha Gifi.
Gleva agus J hashu Janu Kinesha Bliona.
Hamisha January son first choice drama and nourishing Clarsach and nourishing Ellen agus media. Hamisha Ian of drama is on a hit with Akam is on an Danowit. Ami Ian of Unfeel agus is on an Tresor with him Ian of Boxer agus is on an Cow foot Ami Ian of media.
I've seen it adult at Coya Town classrooms. Fashion of map. Catch a drama.
Yoshi.
Yoshi come soon.
Yoshi to Gumo.
See if anyone else.
Halamat show. Tell Jennifer. Halamat.
Pretend they're not there.
Bye bye.
Ni seo hit to the sack of a Kinesh.
Hanya. Seen a girl who an ace and nudie. Nudie.
Agus Bisha dog of Fèis Nila and the Latches Bela.
Hanya. Is a girl who face Negreb. Negreb Quishin.
Agus catch of in Takast.
That's a helical.
Kersana Hiru a teen young.
Get an age. And Hutchian and age who's Layakum and Kiel and Scarlet and is Stella of the Guilds of Tor and Ela Agus, the Cunningham Dunion, Oka, Layakam and Kiel edition.
Kevin instruments in a higher push.
Hammy Coich, the Fila, Piano, Agus, Hammy Shiny and
A belt is a kit, can hang kill a tosha.
And Kiel who Brianna has in Saturday, Hannah's and Jimmy Brianna and Boshiki, Miss mentioned as well, maybe Jake Brianna conversion.
Okay.
Jay Mammy and Healy Tail.
Well, and Kiel loves of my Agus, how finding Corin would be a double version studio and get Agus, how finding Corin would be a kind of Dunya and Clay Kiel edition to Agus, how kind of guitar Dunya either for Jiver Ski and for Jiver Kiel Trails, but I guess
the whole Fèis Lochabair is good, and so is Fèis Lochabair. And Fèis Lochabair is my favourite one because perhaps because I teach there twice a month, and they brought down a lot of kids at the fiddle. Over the years, Robert Nairn, his famous band now, plays the box and the fiddle and the pipes, and his brother and sisters also did the fiddle, and his brother Alan does the guitar, so I'm really much involved with Fèis Lochabair. But I've been with Fèis Lochabair since the start. Started when, first of all, there was a couple of years a festival called Fèis Lochabair. And the Fèis Lochabair kind of started after that. And first year or two they called it Fèis Lochabair, and then we cut out the bill, which is called the Fèis Lochabair. But But it's the whole fish movement's been one of the best things that ever happened to the Highlands. Got all the young people playing. When I was a boy, there were so many odd families that kept the music and the garlic and the songs and the pipe and the fiddling alive. And mostly members of that family, the ones that kept it going. My father's family were all fiddlers and pipers and garlic singers. And there was no such thing as Fèis is great. The kids now, they get all this good teaching from well-established musicians. Gives them a great chance. And a lot of them become professional musicians and earn a living. When I was a boy, you never managed to earn a living playing a fiddle at all. But these days you can.
To any other fish?
Yes, Fèis Roche. Been at Fèis Roche for about 20 years.
Do you know when the Clas trail started?
Oh, about 10 years ago.
Something like that.
Roughly about 10 years ago, maybe.
Jest mi się Andra.
Until it's in fish.
Ha. Stel.
Can you an instrument in the hierarchy?
En heb een instrument. Box cool.
Your son is still teaching at the fish.
Ha. Stel. Hoe was het maar?
Your son by deciding to teach at the fish.
Why did I decide? Because I enjoy teaching kids. It's a very good week.
Can you Clas and Tosha?
Let me see. Keher. Keher. Peoples.
And Nelson.
Peter?
Okay.
Well, er something here choice acum she meal is in Darna Shane is impressive she Drumery is on in care of she drama.
Until the drama is done. Until the holy child is done. Until it's in fish.
Stop.
Tackle it.
Känn mig.
y cynies, ddioch sy'n bygyn cydioch a hwrst yn y dyn a gwybod y cynies y hyf gareth agos hyn yr sy'n. Agos cydioch y dje, fe mi gwybod leis nhw yn fica y dje nhw jala ffwych. Agos se hwb hab yn teimlo me fydd y jala ffwych yma sy'n. Agos am sy'n gyda spars y cyhwyd yn yw.
Tap y leif is son y choed i'r fideo.